Hey everyone, this is a special crossover. Meet Sprunki x Ron, inspired by bad parenting. Let me quickly show how he looks and why he feels so different from other Sprunki characters. And just like always, I hid a few extra Sprunki characters in the video, so try to spot them all, count how many you see, and write your number in the comments. Ron has a round head, pale skin, short black hair, and huge empty eyes that stare way too long. His cheeks are bright red, like he's embarrassed or holding back emotions. He wears a red and white striped shirt that looks innocent, but his face says the opposite. His mouth is stuck in a sad frown, and there's a small blue drop under his nose, like he already cried and nobody noticed. In the Sprunki universe, Ron is called the silent beat. He doesn't sing loudly or dance. He just stands still, and then a slow, uncomfortable rhythm starts playing. His music is made of quiet taps, broken melodies, and looping sounds that feel slightly wrong. Legend says Ron appeared when a happy Sprunki song was repeated too many times without anyone listening. The beat slowed down, the melody cracked, and Ron was left behind, a character made from ignored feelings.